I got some issues with my Bravilor Bonamat coffee machine, because when I fill her up with water, the water just runs straight through on the table. And there's two possible reasons for this. We're gonna open her up and see what's wrong and fix it. It's easier than you might think. You just remove the two screws in the back here, and the metal panel comes off like so. And when you look in here, you can see some different stuff. You see the heater, you see the tube, the black tube here. It's when you fill up too much water, it runs straight through and goes out on the table. But the problem we have now is that there's something broken, because when I fill up with the right amount of water, it still splashes out all over the table. So if you see here, we got the rubber tube and it's on tight and nice. And we got a rubber tube up here also. When I remove this whole thing, like so, you see it comes all loose, and you see these two parts should be welded together, but this one's popped loose. The reason for this is that this machine has been stored in the freezing cold, and the water that has been left over has turned to ice and cracked this can open. Perhaps you could weld this together, but since people are going to drink the coffee here, I don't want to be doing stuff like that, so I bought a replacement part. When I got the bill, it was like twice the price that I was aiming for. So this is how it's supposed to look. And there's a nice detail here. If you look at the bottom of these sides, you can see this one is flat. The one that has been frozen has been bulged out because the water has expanded and popped the lid off. In the simplest way possible, I'm just gonna reconnect all the wires, put on the tubing, and we're good to go. I'm gonna have a test drive also. Oh, I'm removing the old one, taking off all the electrical thingamajigs. There and there. Men, det var det värst. What's going on here? Seems like I need a tool for this. Yeah, it was just stuck really tight. So here we got the broken part, so we got the new one here. I'll just put the cord back on the right place and we're good. Maybe you can see this is the green wire. It goes to the earth there, and the plus was there, and the other one was on that side. That wasn't too difficult. Don't forget to put the water hose on properly. There it goes. All the way in. Yeah. We can't have it dangling loose like this, so we have to secure it in the bottom plate here. You see the slits, they're supposed to fit in the clacks over here. Just remove this tubing a little, and it's like a puzzle piece. You just put it in the right spot and snap it into place. There you go. Now it's all secure. It won't go anywhere. Don't forget to put this tube back. Before I close her up, I'm gonna have a test go just to see that the water stays in the right place and everything works fine. Press play on tape. Yeah, it's getting hot. Whew. It's boiling already, it's really quick. Not a drop of water, it's working perfectly. I can close this up now. There you go, it's working fine. It was very easy fix, I would say. The spare part is kind of expensive, so well, you might want to think twice before you fix it. But if you're a handyman like me, this is like no problems at all. Anyone can do it.